Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss classification of computer network. Before starting this lecture, I will ask few questions from previous lecture. Identify the characteristic of data communication being described in each scenario below. Choose from the following options: delivery, accuracy, timelines, jitter, and security. Questions are: data must reach the correct destination without being sent to wrong device. The received data should be free from error and corruption. Third question is: real-time applications require minimal delay to function properly. Packet must arrive at consistent rate to avoid uneven playback, streaming, or gaming. Encryption and authentication are needed to prevent unauthorized access to data. So you have to scan this code, and I will give you 2-minute time for this activity. Now, in today's lecture, I will discuss learning outcomes are: identify key criteria for data communication and classify network based on size, function, and topology. So, basically, networks are classified into following category based on their geographical coverage size. First is personal area network, that is called PAN, local area network LAN, metropolitan area network MAN, and wide area network WAN. Now, based on geographical distance, these are classified. So, if the inter-process distance is around 1 meter, then or area, you can say 1 square meter, then it is part of personal area network. Whereas if the distance is between 10 meter to 1 kilometer, it is referred as local area network. It may be within room, within building, within campus. So these all belongs to local area network. And if the distance is from 10 kilometer or more than 10 kilometer, then it is known as metropolitan area network, like in within city, let's say. And if the distance is within 100 kilometer in some country to 1000 kilometer continent, then this is known as wide area network. And if it distance is greater than 10,000 kilometer, it is example of internet. So these are the classification based on size of network. So let us see this personal area network. So a small network covering an individual's workspace. Typically, it covers a few meters, used for connecting personal device like smartphone or wearables. Examples are Bluetooth connections, smart home devices, wireless USB connection between the devices. So these all are known as personal area network. So you can see in this uh, diagram: camera, headphone, smartphone, and desktop, laptop, printer. So these all are connected and form a network. This is known as personal area network. Next is local area network. In local area network, a network that operates within a limited geographical area, such as in home, or school, or office. So it forms a local area network. The main characteristic of this network is of high-speed connectivity using Ethernet or Wi-Fi, common in business, institutions, and homes. And examples are office network with computers, printers, and servers. University campus network, you can say this is part of local area network. Now, you can see this diagram. This is diagram of local area network. So you can also draw a diagram. So this is internet, and it is a firewall. It is a router, and these are some other router with Wi-Fi router, and client is connected to this laptop, tablet, mobile phone. It is connected with hub switch, client, server 1, server 2, is a printer. So this forms a local area network. This network is connected with cables as well as with Wi-Fi. So this all forms local area network. So local area network means within building or within institution or home, it forms a local area network. There is one new concept known as virtual LAN. Virtual LAN basically it is a type of LAN. Uh, it physically may be at same place, but virtually they may considered at different places. Suppose we have four departments. One is CSE department, other is mechanical engineering, one is triple E, and other department is ECE. These all belongs to Galgutia University. So we can consider these two systems, although physically all are in same building, but virtually this is connected, this system is configured with some virtual LAN A, whereas this two system belongs to mechanical engineering. This is virtually considered as LAN B, and this virtually connects with LAN, some other LAN, and this also connects to you can say this is belongs to virtual LAN B, this belongs to virtual LAN B, this belongs to virtual LAN A, this belongs to virtual LAN A. So these all systems are connected. So although physically they are belongs to same building, but virtually they are different. Why we are doing virtual LAN? Virtual LAN provides more security, better, easy to manage, and troubleshooting is easy. So we, due to these reasons, we are forming virtual LAN. We may say that CSE department is CSE department and ECE department are connected to virtual LAN A, whereas uh, triple E department and ME department is connected to virtual LAN B. They both belongs to same virtual LAN. We may configure different. It may be virtual LAN A. We may configure this as B. We may configure this as virtual LAN C. We may configure them as virtual LAN uh, D. So they all belongs to different virtual LAN as well. So depending on your configuration, you can change the LAN. So basically, it is part of LAN, but virtually they are different. Now come to problem-based learning. Now, in this, you have to design a company is setting up a local area network to connect its employee and enable efficient communication. The network consists of 15 PC, 2 switches, 2 routers, 1 network printer. To improve network security and performance, the IT team implements virtual LAN, virtual LAN 5, 10, and 15. There are three types of virtual LAN. Virtual LAN 5 will be for HR department. It consists of 5 PCs. Virtual LAN 10 belongs to IT department. It consists of 5 PC. Virtual LAN 15 consists of of 5 pieces and belongs to finance department. Now you have to form a LAN and you can write answer on your sheet and upload the images. You can discuss in group and share your answer. I will give you 2 minutes for this activity. Next is metropolitan area network. So metropolitan is a network that connects multiple LAN within a city or large campus. So large coverage than LAN, but smaller than WAN. Often managed by telecom providers. Examples are university campus, government city-wide network, cable TV networks. So these belongs to MAN. So within city, you can say it may be of it may connect different LAN. So as in this example, it is explained there are so many LANs, and these LAN are connected with metro area network. Now there is one case-based question. MAN implements for smart city. A smart city project implement a metropolitan area network to connect uh, government offices, hospital, traffic management system, and public Wi-Fi zones. The network need to handle real-time surveillance, emergency response systems, and public transportation tracking efficiently. Questions are: what are key advantage of using MAN over a LAN in these scenarios? What technologies, either fiber optics or wireless, should be implemented for this MAN? How data security can be ensured in MAN that connects multiple public services? So you have to uh, share in group and upload your answer using this QR code. Next is wide area network. Wide area network is defined as a network that spans large geographical area of global. It uses router, satellite, and fiber optics for data transmission, slower than LAN, but due to long distance. Examples are internet, the largest WAN, multinational corporate networks connecting global branches. So these are the examples of a wide area network. This is wide area network. It is connected with some site. It is connected to data center. This is data center. These are VPN. There are some LAN connected here. So these are the components used in WAN. Now there is some comparison between PAN, LAN, WAN, and WAN. The definition already I have discussed, coverage area discussed, devices connected here, smartphone, smart watches, Bluetooth, computer, printer, router, switches, university network, cable TV network, internet, corporate network, satellite communication technology used. In PAN, we are using Bluetooth, Zigbee, infrared, local area network, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, fiber optics. MAN also we can use fiber optic, DSL, wireless, wide area network, optical fiber, satellite. Next is based on speed. Uh, PAN has few Mbps, whereas LAN has some up to 1 Gbps. MAN has 10 Mbps to 1 Gbps, and WAN has 10 Mbps to several Gbps. Cost: PAN, since size of PAN is less, so it is of low cost, moderate, high, very high. Usage: personal use. LAN is used in school, office. MAN city-wide network, internet backbone. Examples are Bluetooth headset, smartphone, hotspot, whereas LAN consists of Wi-Fi in office, school network, citywide broadband cables, internet, cloud services, multinational corporates. Now, there are different types of internetwork in uh, computer network. Basically, there are three types of internetwork. One is internet, other is intranet, and next is extranet. So there are three types of internetwork. So we can see in internet, it is globally connected as shown in figure. Intranet is within some organization. This is one organization and connection is within organization. Whereas extranet, there are different organization. This you may consider organization one, and this is organization two, and this or two organization are connected through extranet. So this is example of extranet. So basically, we can say that internet is available publicly worldwide, whereas extranet company network connecting internal and external subscriber available from multiple locations. So extranet is available from multiple locations. Intranet company network that connects internal subscribers only available in one location. So you can say this is internet. Intranet is smaller part. Extranet, it covers more part. So this is second, we can say this is subset of this, and everything is connected in internet. It is globally connected. So this is called internet. Now these are the quite definition of all these things what I have covered. Internetwork and internetwork is defined as two or more computer network LAN or WAN computer network segments are connected using devices, and they are configured by a local addressing scheme. This process is known as internetworking. An internet connection between public, private, and commercial, industrial, or government computer network can also be defined as internetworking. Intranet, a private network that is accessible only to an organization's employee or authorized users, used for internal communication, collaboration, and sharing resources within a company. Example, a corporate portal where employee access HR policies, internal emails, and project documents. Internet, a global network that connects millions of private, public, academic, business, and government network, allow users worldwide to access and share information using web technologies. Example, website, online services. Extranet, a controlled private network that allows external users, partner, vendors, or customer to access specific part of an organization's intranet, used to improve business collaboration with stakeholder while maintaining security. Examples are a supplier portal where vendor can check order status, status and submit invoices. Now there is some case-based question. A company, a company net corp has three types of network: internet, intranet, and extranet, and an internet-based platform. One day, security breach occurs and confidential data is leaked. The IT team investigates and finds the following clues. Employee were able to access the leaked data, but only from within the company's office. Supplier and business partner claim they could not access the leaked data. The leaked data was not available on company's public website. Based on clues, which network, intranet, extranet, or internet was most likely compromised? Scan this code and upload your answer. These are the second case-based questions. in next class, classification of network based on topology. So based on topology, networks are categorized into 5 types: bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, and hybrid topology. So these are topology we'll discuss in next session. Scan this code for assessment. This is for post assessment. Thank you.